Are you provider or deployer? And it's not about your job title, it's about your function. For example, if you are customizing a large language model like Llama on internal server, so it will work inside the company on the data that is provided by the company, you are more provider than deployer. On the other hand, if you are using ready-made large language model like Microsoft's Copilot Studio or ChatGPT Enterprise, you are more deployer than provider. And if you are customizing something, for example fine-tuning Llama, you have more responsibilities than deployer. Now you need to classify the risks: high risk, medium risk, or limited risk, and low risk. So red, yellow, and green zone. For example, red zone of AI application is measure credit worthiness, or polishing, exam grading, or diagnosing diseases. And here probably you need to have a human in the loop. Medium risk or limited risk, yellow zone, is, for example, creating a chatbot for the customer service who can reply, but which also needs some type of policy and limitations, but not like in a red zone. And finally, green zone, where risks are pretty low. For example, summarizing meeting, or creating some emails, or debugging some code. And the final step, document it. So these three steps: first one, find all use cases. The second one, classify them by the risk level, low, medium, and high risk. And finally, document it. Is really important, especially with the laws that are coming, for example, in EU in 2026.